Major breaking news with a Supreme Court decision that is a big win for President Trump and any president after him, because they just ruled in a 6-3 decision that the lower courts do not have the power to universally block an executive order. Now, this stemmed from the president's day one executive order to end birthright citizenship, but it wasn't really about birthright citizenship. So this was really just about whether or not lower court judges could block an executive order. And they're saying they can partially, but if one person was to challenge the law, then it doesn't mean that that law is on hold for everyone across the country. It also means that the question of birthright citizenship is still on the table, because that was not the question that was being asked by the Supreme Court. So Amy Coney Barrett, who is the one who delivered the opinion, said that the executive order on birthright citizenship cannot go into effect for 30 days. That opens the door for class action lawsuits to be filed to challenge the law, challenge that executive order from going into effect. But the way that this reads right now is that it would mean everyone in the class action lawsuit would be protected from the executive order because it's working its way through the courts, but everyone who has not been a part of those class action lawsuits could possibly be impacted by the executive order to end birthright citizenship. I want to point out here that I'm not a lawyer and I haven't read the full opinion, but that is just a couple of notes that I've gotten from the opinion so far. I'm Lena, your news anchor bestie. Hope that helps. You can follow me if you care about this stuff.